Did you wake up seeing your computer like this? Invalid partition tablet. Don't panic. So what do? You go to the F2, you press it multiple times, then the screen is meant to go off. Then give it some seconds, this should come up. When this come up, it's going to load and take you to this page. Yes, it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, this is a Dell Latitude E5540. So here we are going to go to boot sequence. We are going to go to the boot sequence. Click on it. You see the boot list option, legacy and UFI. That is if your Windows is running in Windows 10 and 11. So you change it from that legacy to UFI. You put it on UFI, then apply the setting. Once you have applied it, if your Windows is on, you are good to go. Then you exit. Your PC should do a quick reboot by the screen going blank. Then it should come up again. So once it comes up, you don't need to press anything. It's going to automatically solve itself. And as you can see here, the PC is on and is loading. So you just wait for another 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds. While you are waiting, you can just plug your charger so that you know that your phone is fully charged. This is a Dell Latitude E5540. Just give it about 30 seconds. Your screen should go blank. Your Dell should come up again. Then you should have your laptop working the way it was working before. So if this helped you, please give me a like, subscribe, and reshare. Thank you.